To install a Whoop membership, start by downloading the Whoop app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your mobile device. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Sign Up to create a new account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Next, you will be prompted to enter your shipping address and payment information to complete the registration process. Make sure to enter a valid shipping address as this is where your Whoop strap will be delivered. You will also need to agree to the terms and conditions of the membership. After completing the registration process, you will receive an email to confirm your account. Click on the confirmation link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, you can log into the app and start exploring the various features and benefits of the Whoop membership. One of the key features of the Whoop membership is the ability to track your daily activity, sleep, and recovery. The Whoop strap is a wearable device that tracks your physiological data and provides personalized recommendations to improve your performance and overall well-being. To get started with the Whoop strap, make sure to charge it fully before wearing it. The strap is waterproof and can be worn during exercise, showering, or swimming. The app will guide you through the process of pairing the strap with your mobile device and setting up your profile. As a Whoop member, you will have access to a range of benefits, including personalized coaching, data analytics, and community support. The app will provide you with daily summaries of your activity, sleep, and recovery, as well as recommendations for improvement. You will also be able to connect with other Whoop members and join challenges to stay motivated and engaged. Overall, installing a Whoop membership is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and a valid shipping address. By following these steps, you can start tracking your physiological data and taking advantage of the various benefits and features of the Whoop membership.